Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. I'm already laughing. So this is going to be good. Anyway, so it is Friday, July 2nd, 2021. I'm kind of groggy and tired. Let's talk, you and me. I love this. Why do I love this so much? Okay. So I'm watching Bloomberg this morning. I'm waiting for this big, non-farms payroll number in June. And we were supposed to add all kinds of jobs, for which they're telling us that we did. So apparently, the June non-farms payroll number came in better than expected. But the unemployment rate went higher, okay? And the guy on Bloomberg is saying this is a good thing. It's a good thing. Oh, yeah. You see, what you're not allowed to know here, okay, is number one, we haven't even scratched the surface with even recovering the jobs that were lost during the scamdemic. But again, you're not supposed to know that. And you're not supposed to know about, again, the continuing claims for unemployment, the roughly 400,000 people per week applying for first-time benefits. No, none of that matters because it's all good. The guy from Bloomberg says so. And I always believe them, just like I get my medical advice from the Federal Reserve. If the Federal Reserve says I should do something, medically to my body, of course I should do it, right? Anyway, so that's the story this morning. It's all dog shit as far as I'm concerned. It's all propaganda. It's not real. Nothing is real. You know that. But isn't it amazing? Okay, we're adding jobs. Unemployment rate goes up, and it's great. Oh, lovely. Anyway, so that's the story. With regard to the market, stock futures are higher right now across the board. Trading doesn't start for about half an hour. So what does that mean? It looks like new record highs here, right at the open. Imagine my shock. No, I'm not shocked at all. No. But I'll tell you something else that's very interesting that's getting very, very little, airplay. The yield curve. The entire yield curve, people, is flattening out yet again. What does that mean? The spread between the short end of the yield curve and the long end of the yield curve is narrowing. Whenever we see this, it points towards an economy slowing down like we are right now. Look, everything is just not what they're telling us it is, and I think it's pretty evident here. All we have are debts and deficits hyper-exploding. This is an issue that no one seems to want to talk about, at least on Bloomberg and Fox Business and CNBC. Oh no, it's all good. Can't make this stuff up, people. It's impossible to do. Right now, the 10-year yield is coming down, and as I said, the whole yield curve is flattening out. A lot of that is the market anticipating what I have been saying for months. Contrary to what everyone else is saying, I've been explaining to you that the Fed is going to be increasing asset purchases, not tapering, not lifting off, not cutting back. And yesterday, Wall Street said they're anticipating that the Fed is going to get in here and continue buying assets. Duh! People, come on. The Fed can't stop in this environment, and they don't want to stop. They want to continue to issue more debt in greater and greater amounts so they can finish what they started to own it all. You know that. Okay, so I already told you about the market this morning on the back of this, whatever news this is. It's just dog shit. It's fake. We're not adding anything. We haven't recovered any jobs at all since the scamdemic. But the unemployment rate came up. It went higher. But it's good, according to Bloomberg. Yeah. Anyway, 10-year yield, like I said, is coming down. This is the market anticipating the Fed buying more assets. Period. The end. The dollar right now is a little weaker this morning. Okay. Crude oil over $75 a barrel, going much higher. We know that already. You know that already. Silver this morning catching a very nice bid. Gold is higher as well. Cryptocurrencies remain under pressure. Okay. Just lovely. That, people, is the entire setup this morning here. Just real quick. This market is closed on Monday. So I will not be doing a market report on Monday. However, I will do a markets a look ahead on Monday. I'm going to see a lot of you Sunday for the July 4th party out here. And I'm looking very forward to that. Anyway, I'll talk more about that at the end of the day. All right, people. So the setup here is pretty simple. More propaganda and more fist feeding of crap. That's all this is. We did find out that the unemployment rate is rising, but it's a good thing according to Bloomberg. I don't know how they figure that, but I guess in this kind of environment, what else would you expect? We have a yield curve flattening out, 10-year yield dropping. Wall Street anticipating the Fed will buy more assets. They will not be tapering, just like I have said for months. It's incredible. Like I always tell you people, you and me, we are so far ahead of this curve. It's unbelievable. We know what they're going to do, when they're going to do it. We understand the environment, how twisted it is. And we are on the right side of this entire thing. And we're going to remain here no matter what happens. No matter what they throw at us, you and me are going to be on the right side. And the market is going higher. On the back of, again, bad economic news, more easy money from central banks who are not done by a long shot. Let's start keeping our eye more so on the entire yield curve. Okay, that is a big tell here as to what the Fed is going to do and where our economy is going. So it's really all about the yield curve right now. And as the yield curve continues to flatten out, again, this is a big tell that the economy is not doing well. And the Fed will continue to buy assets. What does that mean? The stock market is going higher. Understand? And understanding that mechanism means we should be betting against the debt, becoming your own central bank. Let them play their games with gold and silver, people. I don't care what they do. Okay? We're going to keep hoarding this stuff. Physical gold, especially physical silver, and yes, of course, cryptocurrencies as well, in my view. But you are always welcome, and I encourage you to do your own research on everything I say. You got it? Pretty much that's it, people. Just another big shout out to those of you who decided to support my work. Let me say this real quick. So few of you actually do step up to support my work. If you are one of those that do, I just want to say that you hold a special place in my heart, and that's cool. I love all of you. That is the truth. I will see all of you at the end of the day to sum up the Freak Show, and that's what this is. Do you think I'm part of the Freak Show? I don't know what I am. I just know I'm tired this morning. All right, I'm out here. See you later.